Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove a TikTok watermark from a video. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and remove this TikTok watermark from a specific video that you have saved on the TikTok application, I want you to first of all, of course, save that TikTok video onto your device, and then of course you will have the TikTok watermark on the screen. So what can you do in order for you to remove that filter? Well, all we need to do this is of course choose a video first on TikTok that we would like to have saved. I'm gonna go ahead and save this cat video right here, and it is not actually savable. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose another video real quick. And basically from here, once you've already chosen that specific video that we want to save, I want to go ahead and save this one right here. And then I guess that is also not savable. So I'm gonna choose one more video. Okay, maybe this video is savable. Okay, that's gonna be good. Basically from here, once you have already saved that video onto your device, you could actually go ahead and launch any third-party editing application to crop that video for you or blur that watermark out. And I could also use CapCut for this, which is basically one of those main editing applications that you could use to edit your videos. I'm going to tap on the video that I just downloaded and import it onto my project. So from here, of course, as you see, the TikTok watermark is going to be located on the middle of the screen, so cropping it would not be working. Or you could also crop it. Well, there is going to be a very ugly outcome to that. So if you tap on edit right here, you can crop this and crop watermark out, which is going to lead to being just that part of the screen and removing most of it. So in the case that you don't really want to do that and you just want to hide the watermark, you could also do that as well. I'm going to tap on my back option and I'm going to add a blur. So how do you add a blur? All we need to do to add a blur is to tap on effects, tap on video effects, and we should see a lot of different effects available to us right here. We can tap on halo blur to add that effect on here. And basically once you have added that halo blur onto your video, of course, well, that is only going to give you a blur onto the beginning of the video. And what I want for this video is to have a motion blur added to only those specific parts. So I'm going to tap on the check mark, of course, tap on my video, and basically from here I could go ahead back now on my effects. So I'm going to tap on video effects, and as you see, the video blur will be located onto the video already. So in the case that you guys want to go ahead and only apply it onto that specific section of the video, well, you could also remove the filter. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on my filters or effects over here, tap on video effects and remove these filters. I'm going to remove the halo blur because that won't be really needed as of now, but I could tap on my motion blur over here and tap on object. Now I could basically tap on the main video or tap on all objects to basically only select a portion of the video. So if you want to go ahead and choose only a specific part of the video, of course, our placing effect would not really do much, and adding the effect would only apply it to the whole or the whole duration of the video. So what we could also do is to tap on the option wherein we could draw, or we could also basically choose the to blur. As you see, I could choose use both fingers to resize your video. I'm going to choose this blur option over here and only apply it to this part of the video. So as you see, I'm going to go ahead now and tap on blur, as you see, of course, and those are the ways that we could blur the video for TikTok. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.